Hey there, this is Deanna with the Fiery Whisk, and today I have another Pinterest tip. I'm going to show you how to set your wallpaper on your mobile device with a pin that you've already saved. So first, let's open up our Pinterest app, and then you go to your account. Mine is already there. You can look for pins either by clicking on boards or pins. I'm going to go with boards. And I'm going to scroll down to cookie decorating ideas and click on that board. And then I'm going to find a photo that I like. Let's go with this one right here on the right hand side with the candy and the ice cream. After you click on it, you'll see 3 dots in the upper left hand side of your screen next to the little pencil. Click on the 3 dots and options are going to pop up. The third option down says Set as Wallpaper. You click that, give it a moment. Wallpaper is set, so let's check it out. Close out of here, and there you go. Wallpaper is set.